Dear ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Christmas YouTube stream and the first ever online CAD/CAM quiz. My name is Andrew and I'm your co-host for this stream. As you can see, joining me here in the studio is Santa Claus.
Hello, kids. Hello, kids.
This is not Santa Claus, this is actually CEO of ENCY Software, Mr. Andrei Kharatsidi.
Okay, you figured out who I am. Okay. Hello, everybody. Nice to see you here. I hope we will have some fun today, right?
Sure.
So please stay focused. We have a lot of interesting questions. Andrew actually prepared them. There are easy ones. There are very, very complex ones, actually.
Yeah.
And the best ones will have some prizes, yeah?
Don't be afraid. The questions are really simple. Don't believe in Santa, okay, today. So we have Andrei Kharatsidi, and this means we'll have the chance to learn fascinating insights about the company's achievements and plans directly from its leader.
Let's see.
So this is first time we're hosting an event like this. This is an experiment, actually. And we hope you'll enjoy the concept and its unique format. So who can participate? Actually, anyone can participate in the quiz except for ENCY Software employees. So users, potential users, dealers, partners, you are welcome to join.
Okay. So should I switch?
Yes. So before we continue, before we start the quiz, I'd like to ask you to grab your smartphones.
Yeah, the smartphones. Take them.
And either scan the QR code in the bottom left corner of your screen.
This way.
Or visit menti.com and enter the code displayed at the top of this page. This will allow you to join us in the CAD/CAM quiz and compete for one of 3 licenses for our newest software product, ENCY Tuner, which is an amazing product developed specially for Gcode simulation and Gcode editing.
Yeah.
And this is quite expensive product, actually, yeah?
Yeah. And I think it makes some CNC magic.
Yeah.
What do you think?
So it is really important to register using your names so that we can identify the winners. So you will see the registration form before the question number 1, okay? So while you're registering, while you're scanning the QR code, we'll begin our conversation with Andrei in the studio. And my first question to Andrei about ENCY Start. In September 2024, ENCY Software introduced a new product and a new CAD/CAM brand. It's only been 4 months, but we are all curious to know how easy or challenging is it for ENCY to conquer the world of CNC machines and industrial robots? Please share with us the first result of the company's activity.
Yeah, thank you, Andrew, for the question. Actually, to start a new CNC brand is a huge challenge. And for our team, it was a very big task and a lot of things were involved. So I would like to say thank you to our team, first of all, because we managed to do this. Now I can say that we were able to put a new CAD/CAM brand on the market. We already have sales. We see that our customers have adopted, our dealers also have adopted ENCY as a new product line and new brand. And so far it goes quite well, actually a little better than I expected. Okay, so all in all, in a nutshell, we can say that it was a successful launch.
Great. Thank you for your answer. Meanwhile, we can see that we have some participants. Yeah, we have some people who watch the stream, and this is really good. And now let's move to the rules. Let me briefly explain the quiz rules. They're very simple. And for those who just joined us, one more time, please scan QR code with your smartphone, and you will be able to play with us, and you will have a chance to win ENCY Tuner license. So the quiz consists of 14 questions about CAD/CAM, CNC, and industrial robots. Each question will have 4 answer options, with only 1 being correct. You have 30 seconds, which is plenty of time actually, to select your answer on your device screen. The faster you answer correctly, the more points you will earn. Okay? Please note, this is really important, that since this is a live stream, there is a slight delay between what you see on YouTube and the appearance of question on your smartphone. So please, first of all, focus on the device where the question and answer options will appear.
Okay.
Today's grand prize is ENCY Tuner software. The 3 participants with the highest scores will each receive a 1-year subscription to ENCY Tuner. It's amazing reward for your knowledge and dedication to the industry.
I would like also to say that it's a new product which we have introduced this year. So take a chance to get a license for free. Yeah.
Okay, so if you don't win, please do not be upset because all registered players will also be the first to receive our exclusive ENCY desktop wallpaper calendar for 2025. It's a stunning calendar with different views of Cyprus, where we are located actually, shot with a drone.
Did you shoot all these pictures or no?
Some
of them?
Yeah, some of them, yes.
Okay. Okay.
What about this picture?
It's a picture of Limassol, the town where I live in, and probably
Where do you live? Where do you live?
somewhere in these small houses on the picture.
Oh, Santa should live in a big house. Okay, it's
Let's see next year how the sales go. Okay.
okay. Now you see the quiz rules on your screen again, and this is your last chance to scan the QR code and actively join today's event. Okay. Now we will begin. Actually, it's time to begin. And before the question number 1, you will see the form. Please fill in your name. Okay, so we can identify the winners. After question number 14.
Yeah, and it's very important to put your real name so that we know who you are. If you win, so we must know who you are. So please put your real full name in the form. Okay. So do a switch to the form.
Wait a second. Okay. Yes, we can start.
Okay.
Okay, we have so many players ready.
Okay, so nice. So please join the quiz and type in your full name. And once you are finished, we'll start.
Yeah, so after we identify all the winners, please send us an email about yourself, okay, to info@encycam.com.
Yeah.
So we will try to issue your license as soon as possible.
Yeah, this year.
This year, sure.
Okay.
This year, yeah. December 31?
Maybe. Until January 1, okay, January 1st.
Okay, so it's time to
start.
Yeah, let's start. Okay.
Last chance for someone to join. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, good.
Okay, I think
so. The question number 1. What is the purpose of CAM software? What is the purpose of CAM software? It's a really simple question. Options, answering options, creating blueprints, generating toolpath for manufacturing, 3D rendering, or performing stress analysis. Actually, manufacturing is always stress, no?
For someone who doesn't have a proper CAD/CAM software,
Correct,
I think.
yeah, correct. So we guys vote for performing stress analysis.
It's good,
Believe us,
good
yeah.
option.
Okay, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
Let's see the answer.
Wow, the most of you gave the right answer, and yes, you are very intellectual actually.
Oh, okay.
And just 3 or 15 gave unfortunately wrong answers.
But no one said performing stress analysis.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Nobody believe us.
Okay, let's see the next question.
Question number 2. What does Gcode stand for in CNC programming? It's also quite simple.
Basic one, yeah.
Yeah, question. General code, guide code, geometry code, or Go code?
What's that? What do you think?
I think Go code.
Go code, I like it also. I'll bet on Go code. So
10 seconds remains.
by the way, if you have your own options, please write them in the chat of the stream. We will read the funny ones at the end.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
interesting. Just half of you guys know that Gcode is a geometric code. Actually, Gcode, the standard programming language for CNC machines, was developed in the 1950s at the MIT, and the first standardized version was published in 1963 by the Electronic Industrial Association. That's it. Okay, question number 3.
Okay, everybody's ready?
Yeah, in CAM software, what is rest machining? I think it's rest, to have a rest.
Yeah, rest.
Yeah,
Maybe.
machining only the remaining uncut areas after roughing, a pause function for the machine, the process of retooling the machine, or finishing passes done in reverse.
I think the second option is the most corresponding to have some rest, yeah?
Yes, sure.
To pause and have a rest, maybe.
But please think by yourself, okay?
Okay, we have 1 second.
Oh, the most of you actually gave the correct answer. Rest machining is a CAM strategy used to remove material left behind by previous roughing or finishing operations, especially in areas where the initial tool couldn't reach due to its size or geometry. And I have a question to Andrei. Is there a similar feature in ENCY CAM software, or perhaps something more advanced, more intellectual?
Actually, we have a couple of rest machining operations, but what I would like to say is that our roughing operation by itself already can partially make rest machining, and it's I think it's saving quite a lot of time in programming and clicking the mouse clicks. So you can use roughing waterline for rest machining also in ENCY.
Great. Okay, let's move on. Question number 4.
Okay, let me switch.
Yes, and which of these 3D CAD systems was introduced first? Options are Sketchpad, AutoCAD, CATIA, or SolidWorks.
Maybe we should give them a clue. What do you think?
I don't know.
To me, the most weird option from here was the correct one.
I cannot tell you. I cannot tell you because the price is quite expensive. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. Okay, 5 seconds remain. This question is a really tough question, actually.
Yeah, it's not
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, and we see it on result. 3 of you guys are right, absolutely right. Sketchpad, developed by Ivan Sutherland in 1963, often considered the forerunner to modern CAD systems. If we talk about other options, AutoCAD, it was 1982, CATIA 1977, and SolidWorks just 1995. So great to know that Sketchpad was one of the first. Yeah.
And the year, what's the year?
1963.
You can imagine, more than 50 years ago.
Yeah. The last question before we see the intermediate results, question number 5. Who is considered the father of CNC machining? The options are Richard Keck, Eli Whitney, Henry Ford, and John T. Parsons.
Here are some really tough questions.
Yes. Sorry, guys. But the part of them are dealers. They work with CNC machines every day. They should know that.
Yeah, sure. And if you don't know, after today's quiz, you will know.
Yes.
And next time, we will change the questions, yeah?
Yes.
So not to make them similar every time. Okay, everybody's voted.
Again, the most of our players, they know the correct answer. This is really amazing.
Yeah.
So John T. Parsons is widely regarded as the father of CNC machining. In the late 1940s, while working at MIT, Parsons developed methods to automate the production of complex aircraft components. His innovative approach used punch cards. Do you remember?
I remember.
How it looks like?
Yeah, I remember.
To control machine tool movements, laying the foundation for modern CNC technology. So, Andrei, by the way, what types of machines can be programmed in ENCY CAM software?
Oh, actually, all types of CNC machines, like starting from the simple, like two-axis cutting machine, and up to Swiss type machines, which have extremely complex kinematics, several channels, like dozens of tools. And what's interesting about Swiss type machines is that our unique feature is that we have automatic channel synchronization. And my colleague Maria, a couple of weeks ago, was conducting a webinar dedicated to Swiss type machine programming. So if you hadn't been there, please visit our YouTube channel and you will see the record of this webinar there.
Yeah, please do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, sure.
Because we publish so many webinars and so many useful information. Yeah, now. Okay, now we can see the intermediate results and see who is the leading.
Let's check.
Yeah. Wow.
Okay, there was some competition between people actually.
Yes, we have a leader with Jacob Witt. Yeah, he gave a lot of actually right answers, and he was very fast. Yeah, the fastest as possible. Yeah.
Okay.
Good.
Lei, you see.
Oh, we have Prashant.
Okay, hello guys. Nice to see you. Prashant, yeah, number 2.
Okay, let's continue. Now there is a second section, question from 6 to 10 about industrial robots.
Let's see.
Question number 6. What does OLP stand for in industrial robotics? Online processing, offline programming, operational logic planning, or open language platform?
So many nice options. Which one would you choose? Operational logic planning. Sounds fancy. What do you think?
Yeah, it's modern. It's modern, yes.
Maybe this is it. OLP, operational logic planning. Sounds good.
Yes. 5 seconds remain. Oh, okay.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway.
I think the half of participants are from the world of CNC machines, not industrial robots, so they don't know.
But now you know.
Yes, but OLP stands for offline programming, a method in industrial robotics that allows robot programs to be created, tested, and optimized in a virtual environment without interrupting production, which is really important. Question number 7. Which of the following defines a CoBot in industrial robotics? CoBot. A robot designed to safely work alongside humans. A robot designed to lift heavy objects. A robot that operates without human input. A robot that is limited to small parts manufacturing. So CoBot means collaborative robot.
Yeah,
So maybe this is the tip, okay? For collaboration.
Nice word.
Okay, good. The most of you know the correct answer. A CoBot is a type of robot designed to work safely alongside humans in shared workspace. So a question to Andrei. So everyone knows that ENCY robot is a leading solution for programming industrial robots, but can ENCY robot also program CoBots?
Sure. Actually, our platform is equipment agnostic, so we can program whatever equipment there is. The most important for us is the kinematics, and since CoBot has the same kinematics as a typical industrial robot, you can program a CoBot in ENCY robot, no problem.
How can I check, is my robot supported by your software or not?
Actually, you don't have to check. You can, first of all, most likely it is supported, okay? But you can also visit our online component library on the website, and it's also available in Machine Maker once you install your trial license, and you can find the components there. But if you even if you don't find the component you need, like let's say you have some specific robot, you can build your own components with Machine Maker without coding.
Great. Okay, let's move on. Question number 8. What is the main function of an end effector in a robotic arm? End effector,
End effector.
What a nice wording, yeah? End effector. control the robot's movement, provide feedback on the environment, interact directly with objects, or supply power to the robot. And effector.
And effector.
It's on the end. It's at the end of the robot.
And it affects something, definitely.
Correct. Okay, 3 seconds remain. Great, again. So intellectual players today, yeah?
They know everything.
Yeah. So the end effector is the tool at the end of robotic arm designed to interact with the environment. It can perform tasks such as gripping, welding, painting, or cutting, depending on its type. Okay, question number 9. Who is considered the inventor of the first industrial robot? Joseph Engelberger, George Devol, Isaac Asimov, or Nikola Tesla? The most well-known name here is Nikola Tesla, I think. Yeah,
I think so.
yeah. I've been to a museum of Nikola Tesla. It's really interesting.
Okay.
But it's more about electricity, I think, no?
I think so, yeah. Not about robots. Isaac Asimov, maybe. More about robots. Okay.
Interesting, yeah. Actually, guys, the correct answer is George Devol. George is credited as the inventor of the first industrial robot. It was 1954, I think, yeah, 54. But you're very close. Who answered? Joseph Engelberger. They were colleagues, actually. So George and Joseph Engelberger, they were colleagues. They worked together, okay? So you were close to the correct answer. Question number 10. Which company introduced the first widely used industrial robot in 1961?
1961.
So we have been living with robots how many years? 70 years? 70, almost 80 years. Yeah.
Like 65
Yeah.
years.
So it was a great evolution, yeah?
Yeah.
ABB, Fanuc, Animation, or KUKA. I think everybody now knows these names, these brands.
But it's a tough question.
Yes, sure.
And the answer is not obvious.
No.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay.
8 of you knows the correct answer. Animation, founded by George Devol and Joseph Engelberger, introduced the first widely used industrial robot, Animate, in 1961. The robot was installed at General Motors plant to automate die casting and welding operation. So it's a part of the story.
So you see, people know the story.
Yeah.
Very
Smart
nice.
people, yeah. So now we see the intermediate results again. Do we have the same leader or not?
Let's check. Okay, it's making its calculation.
Oh, okay. We have a new leader. It's Rainer Suvi, probably from India. No. Jakub Witt on the second position.
And third is Lee.
Lee, I think it's from China.
Yeah, you know this guy.
Yeah. We have also Berkay, I think.
Yeah. Berkay is the fastest who is giving answers.
Yeah.
See?
Okay, good. And now we move to the last section, last 4 questions about ENCY.
Actually, I would like to say that competition between first 5 people is very close.
They fight, yes.
Okay, so let's see who will be the winner. Let's go.
Question number 11. Which ENCY Software employee looks the most like Santa Claus? Jerry, Kirill, Maria, or Ilnar?
You can notice that there is no option of me there.
So it's not Andrei?
It's not me, definitely. Because in real life, I don't look like this usually.
Yeah, so you can bet on luck, or you should know us, in person to get the correct answer for sure.
But there is one guy or lady, let's say, one person who looks like...
I vote for Maria.
I would not vote for Maria, maybe. Oh, okay, someone voted for Maria.
So again, they know. They know Jerry because they watch webinars, okay?
Okay.
So the correct answer is Jerry. Jerry, our new team member from the UK, is currently working on educational video tutorials for programming robots in ENCY Software. All the videos are available on our YouTube channel.
We have comments from Jerry in the chat.
Yeah,
Okay.
for sure it was a tough question, but here is some photo evidence. Look, yeah, from left to right, we have Jerry, we have Kirill, Maria, and Ilnar. So
You can definitely tell
Yeah,
the
yeah.
leader from the first site, you know, instantly.
yeah, so question to Andrei again. Okay, wait a second.
Okay.
How much focus does ENCY Software place on the educational sector? Do you provide educational licenses?
Yeah, we actually have educational program. So if you are an educational institution or a student, you can get the ENCY license, like any ENCY product license, for free. Okay. Or at a minimal cost. Depends on the market. So we implemented both options. Of course, because we would like to push our products to the educational institutions so that students nowadays do not learn some outdated software, but they learn a proper software which will be like useful for them in their real job after they graduate from the university.
So ENCY is a CAD/CAM for a new generation. So,
Exactly.
Exactly. Okay. Great. So question number 12. What is the name of the high-speed machining strategy in ENCY CAM software? Add motion, sky adaptive, adaptive path, or adaptive?
Sky motion,
It's a nice, yeah, sky adaptive.
sky adaptive. Sounds good.
15 seconds remain.
Okay, let's see. Actually, we have a lot of comments in the chat, by the way. We're checking.
Okay, and again, the most of you know the correct answer is adaptive. So high-speed machining is an advanced manufacturing technique that focuses on increasing cutting speeds and feed rates while maintaining or improving precision and surface quality. So great, guys. The question number 13, and this is my favorite question in this quiz. What does EN stand for in the name ENCY? ENCY.
EN.
Engineering Network, ENEA, a character in Dan Simmons' Hyperion Cantus series. It's a book, actually. Expert Navigator, or Engineering.
Actually, I think if you have been at our conference this year, you know the answer.
Of course.
And also, if you have been reading our press release connected with ENCY launch, I think you also know the answer like 100% because it was there in the text. The rest of you, make a guess, okay?
Again, I think the most of them visited us in June.
I think so.
Yeah. So the correct answer is ENEA. ENEA is a character of Dan Simmons' book, science fiction book. So Andrei, why ENEA? And how did the idea to name the product ENCY come about?
I will not tell the whole story because it will take like 50 minutes. But in short, I would like first of all to say thank you for advising me to read Hyperion Cantus. It's a science fiction book. You said it's your favorite one.
Correct.
And now I like science fiction books. I read it. It was fantastic. I also advise all of you to read this book. And ENEA is actually the main character of this story. And it's the story behind it's very interesting. So visit our conference and visit our webinars, and eventually we will tell you if you don't know yet.
So ENEA actually is a daughter of human woman and AI.
Yeah.
Correct. So and in ENCY we develop AI. So we have AI assistant. So this is our commitment
to represent
AI,
the fusion between AI and standard algorithms.
Okay, great. And we move to the last question. Question number 14,
The
guys.
most important.
Yeah. What is NCX? What is NCX?
Not so easy question,
Yeah.
actually.
ENCY ecosystem for production collaboration, AI module, module for creating digital twins, or new version or new generation of ENCY software. What is ENCY?
I'd like to see the answers actually.
Actually, it's written on the website.
If you read carefully the website, the main page of the website, I believe.
You have 5 seconds to visit our website, guys.
But those of you who visited our site before, see, not bad.
Yes, so ENCY is an advanced ecosystem designed for production collaboration. It integrates cloud-based tools and AI to enhance CNC programming and industrial robot workflow. Actually, it's a game changer in the whole industry. What do you think?
May I tell something about it?
Yes, sure.
Okay. I'd like to say that ENCY is X for experience, is the collaboration, not a collaboration. We could say that it's a CAD/CAM ecosystem, which includes, like you say, collaboration and also CAD/CAM software, shop floor simulation software, and all these software products are connected with cloud collaboration like tool. Okay, and all in all, it's an ecosystem which is covering not only toolpath calculation, but also transmitting the ENCY code to the shop floor and helping machine operator and CAD/CAM programmer to work together in a much more efficient way than it was before.
Yeah. Okay, that was a final question. Well, it's time to wrap things up and reveal the names of our 3 CAD/CAM geniuses, okay, who will receive a 1-year commercial license for ENCY Tuner. Let's give a round of applause to our top winners. Who is?
Let's see the calculation. Okay, it was really tough.
Oh, more than 10. Rainer Suvi, 10,000 points. The second is
Mr.
Lee, and the third is
Marcin Wasilewski from Poland.
Okay, guys, great. Our applause to you.
Okay.
So yeah, you're great. You know the industry. You know CAD/CAM. You know CNC machining.
And you were the fastest to reply the questions.
Yeah, this is really important to be fast, to be on time.
Yeah.
Okay. Once again, congratulate to all the winners and participants of the quiz. Thank you for joining our Christmas stream today. If you don't win today, please do not be upset. You will receive very soon email from us with a link to download the exclusive 2025 desktop wallpaper calendar. So please check your email boxes. Okay, today or maybe tomorrow. I don't know.
Yes.
Okay, that's.
And to the winners, we would like to say
sure.
that write us an email.
Yeah, please write us.
I am the winner of Christmas quiz, so provide me the ENCY Tuner license. Okay.
Okay, and please, So this is actually the new year 2025 is almost here.
Yeah.
We want to say a few words, to our guests, to our community.
On behalf of our company and our team, we would like to say thank you everybody for being with us during this year. See you next year, and we wish you from the bottom of our heart Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and wish you good luck in the next year.
And of course, stay tuned, because the ENCY story has only just begun. Let's make 2025 amazing. Goodbye.
Okay. Thank you, everybody. Goodbye. See you next year.